when insulin binds to a receptor of a liver cell, a hepatocyte, what you're going to get is glucose uptake. You're going to get glycogenesis, which is the production of glycogen. So this is a process in which now glucose is not only entering the cell, but you're going to start storing it. So the enzymes that are associated with making new glycogen are being upregulated. There is also an increase in glycolysis, in making new fats or lipogenesis, as well as protein synthesis. So this whole process of insulin is really not only to bring glucose within a cell, but it is to start building new things. Glycogen, fats, proteins, you're going to be storing energy because you never know when you might need it. In skeletal muscle, you're going to do some similar things. The one big difference with skeletal muscle versus a liver cell, a hepatocyte, is that once you stimulate insulin receptors, there's going to be an upregulation of the GLUT receptor. GLUT is what transports the glucose into the cell. So there's a specialized GLUT4 transporters that will be brought to the surface of the cell, and therefore you're going to be able to bring in even more glucose. It also stimulates the formation of glycogen, glycolysis, making new fats, as well as protein synthesis. So those parts are very similar to the liver cell. The big difference is that the glucose is what we call insulin sensitive because you increase the amount of GLUT4 transporter. Let's now again take a big picture look at this. What is happening across the whole body? Glucose, in response to insulin, moves within muscles, moves within liver cells, even moves into adipose tissue. Fatty acids also move into adipose tissue so that they can be put together to form fats. Keto acids don't change. And finally, amino acids move into muscles so that they can be involved with protein synthesis. So therefore, you have decreases in all of these functional items in the blood. Glucose goes down, fatty acids go down, ketones go down, and amino acids go down, all in response to insulin.